Stress is often seen as a negative force in our lives, but what if I told you that it can actually work for you? Understanding how to channel stress into a positive outcome is a skill that can enhance your productivity and elevate your overall well-being. By rethinking your approach to stress, you can transform the way you react to challenges and pressures. First, it's important to recognize the different types of stress and how they can impact your mindset. Eustress, or positive stress, can motivate you to meet deadlines, prepare for a big presentation, or push you to achieve your fitness goals. On the other hand, distress or negative stress can be overwhelming and lead to anxiety and burnout. By identifying the source of your stress, you can learn to leverage the beneficial aspects while managing the negative ones effectively. Next, consider the techniques that can help you harness the power of stress. One powerful method is reframing your thoughts. Instead of viewing stress as an enemy, try to see it as a challenge you're ready to take on. When you feel a rush of adrenaline, remind yourself that this energy can be redirected towards completing your tasks efficiently. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation can also assist in centering your thoughts and allowing you to focus better on the task at hand, converting anxiety into productivity. Another effective strategy is goal setting. When you feel stressed, your mind tends to race with worries about what could go wrong. Redirect this mental energy toward achieving specific, measurable goals. Break down larger tasks into manageable steps and reward yourself for small victories along the way. This not only helps you stay focused, but also builds a sense of accomplishment, turning your stress into motivation rather than a hindrance. Lastly, practicing self-care is vital in turning stress into a constructive force in your life. Engaging in physical activities, pursuing hobbies, or spending quality time with loved ones can provide the necessary balance to counteract stress. When you take care of yourself, you improve your resilience and adaptability. This strengthens your ability to face challenges head-on, allowing stress to become a driving force rather than a debilitating one. In conclusion, transforming stress from a negative experience into a positive motivator is entirely possible with the right mindset and techniques. By recognizing the nature of your stress, reframing your thoughts, setting achievable goals, and practicing self-care, you unlock the potential for stress to work for you instead of against you. Embrace your stress as a catalyst for growth and success.